the other one's gone.
Oh, we lost the other one?
Yeah.
I'm in the kitchen with the Wallace family today, Sam and Sarah and their beautiful kids, Brando, Cozzy and Sienna, and one of my 3 boys, River. And we are going to make one of my food bag's new kid-friendly recipes, the crispy chicken tacos. This isn't going to be chaotic at all, right?
I think the food will be right, but I'm worried about all this.
Let's see, wish us luck. Okay, listen up guys. Sienna, Cozzy, River, Brando. Today, you guys are going to be cooking for us. How does that sound?
Sounds good.
Yeah. Brando's going to do the chicken. River's going to chop up the vegetables. And Cozzy and Sienna, you're going to be doing the guacamole. Yeah. All right, let's get into it. If you've got knives, be nice and safe. All right, so you've got to put the flour and all the spices into the chicken. And a little
all of the flour?
Drizzle, yep, go for it. And then you toss it all up together until it's nicely coated. Yep,
Drizzle.
a drizzle.
Do you know what a drizzle is?
No.
Keep going.
Like it's like painting, yeah, like paint.
Perfect.
Like
What?
drizzle of paint, yeah, perfect. Oh, beautiful. Spices. So now you can put all of that in. You can just dump it all in if you like. Yeah.
Fast away, eh?
Woo. Now toss it all up together. How cool is this? We haven't used one of these before, right? Yeah, going straight through. Oh wow, look at that. And you girls are doing a great job of getting all the avocado out.
I got questions. What's your favourite food that we cook at home?
Burgers.
Question, who's a better cook, mum or dad?
Mum. She does all the cooks.
Another question, does dad do any cooking?
Yes, sometimes.
Oh dear. I'm sure when I've talked to you in the past on radio, it's been like, I'm cooking, this is my food bag meal tonight.
I haven't been stitched up. Your pocket money's cut. So that's the moment you realise how good the safety knives are.
We could just leave them to it.
Yeah, that's a good idea. I got one question for the girls. Who's the best cook, mum or dad? Yeah.
Oh,
That's me.
no. But what does
I
Daddy
knew it.
cook? What does Daddy cook? Other than his protein shakes, what does Daddy cook?
He cooks nothing. He cooks farts.
Busted!
I actually can't argue with that.
Cozzy and Sienna, what are your favourite vegetables?
Bananas.
Peas! That's a good one.
Diddy.
What are you doing to us, sir? Are you a chef?
I reckon you kids are pretty close to being done with doing the prep work. You can go and play. That wasn't too bad,
Wasn't too bad.
Was that better than expected? I think it was about right.
No one's been injured.
That's the main thing. Brando's done he's coated the chicken, Rivers chopped the lettuce, kind of, and the girls have chopped the cucumber and made the guacamole, so we've just got a few things to finish off and then I reckon we sit down and eat.
Right, I'll leave you ladies
Oh,
to
actually,
it. No, I'm joking.
no, you will do all of that. Me and Sarah will go off.
Go have a glass of wine.
Get that nice and crispy.
Yeah.
So do you guys do family dinner together every night?
Yeah, most nights we do. It's super early because we are
5?
starving. Yeah, 5:30.
Yeah, same.
Yeah.
If I don't have the kids fed at like 5:30, then it's a domino effect with everything else. Like then bath time's too late, story time's too late, bedtime's too late, everyone has a meltdown.
And then you have no time for yourself at
exactly.
any point.
5:30 dinner's key.
What time is your last kid down, like in bed, when you've walked away?
7:30.
Same.
The two
Yeah, that's what
oldest
we aim.
boys.
Yeah, that's a good effort.
You still got at least half an hour of adult time before having
But
to
then
go to bed.
you guys probably go to bed really early because you've got to be up so early. Like you've got to be up at what time?
My
4?
alarm goes at 4:30.
Yeah, I was going to say.
Yeah. What time does yours go?
When Arlo wakes up, so any time between 6 and 7.
Yeah. I tell you what, Brando's done a great job of coating this chicken.
That does look very crispy.
I'll give him the credit.
Are they good eaters, your kids?
Some days, when they're growing, they're great. When they're not, they're under the table, running around, mucking around. And I don't know if that's on us or them. No, they don't even want to sit around for Sammy's amazing dinner table chat.
Honestly, I can find sometimes the sit-down dinner process can be pretty frustrating.
Oh yeah.
Like, just trying to keep everyone at the table. We're about to witness it.
Yep.
It's gonna be
How many
great.
times
Yeah.
have you ever counted, like what's the most number of times you've had to get up during dinner time
Oh,
out of your seat?
we need to count it. All of a sudden, I need to go to the toilet. Where are my drink bottles? Where's
Yep.
I need a spoon.
Yep.
Someone's upside down in a chair.
Yep.
You're like, why are you upside down? You're chewing a carrot.
So do you guys feel like my food bag has actually helped with the whole dinner time routine and stuff?
Takes away the thought of what to cook. I choose it the week before, and then I'm like, yes, the kids will love that. I'll love that. We'll make that one work, and I know what we're doing.
Yeah.
Yeah, and Sammy loves a plan too.
Do you know, like, when I do my best to help, I've been criticised a lot, it means I can just slot in.
Yeah.
Because all the instructions are perfect,
Yeah.
it's easy to follow. So it's harder if you haven't got a my food bag, because you're like, what's in the kitchen, where do I start?
And that's where domestic started. Sarah'd be like, I told you to do it this way.
It was in the freezer. But do you know the other thing? I think you get loads more veggies.
You do,
You get
definitely.
loads more veggies than you normally eat. It's kind
Yeah.
of crammed into everywhere.
We love cramming in the vegetables.
Yeah.
We're like, where can we stick them in?
Today I had a
There.
very green looking bolognese. Gave it some time though, I trusted in you.
Yeah.
And
Oh,
because like,
Nice to
you can't serve kid green bolognese. And then the zucchini cooked through, you couldn't even tell it was in there, and the kids were happy. So
No.
well done you. It's quite nice just before they arrive, isn't
There's,
it?
yeah, the calm before the storm.
Yeah.
I think they're getting pretty hungry though.
Yeah, I'll grab
So
them.
let's grab them in.
Right, here's one.
Bye-bye.
1 out of 4.
I'll go get the rest.
Where's the
River!
second one?
Who can I find?
Girls! Hang on.
Where are you going? Where are you going? We're just about to eat dinner. Oh. But now the other one's gone.
Oh, we lost the other one? Come on. You guys are getting big.
Come on, boys. Brando, where's River? Where's River? It's time to eat. Well, guys, I think the crispy chicken tacos are ready. So should we all dig in? Yeah. Go, go, go.
First, can we some of these?
And thank you, everyone, for all your help.
Sit down, little man. Brando, sit down at the table.
I don't want any chicken on my top.
You don't want any chicken.
There you go, Sammy.
Chicken
Give the man some chicken.
Is this how dinner time is every night? Is it?
It
this
looks exactly
volume
like
level?
this, but just without you two here.
Yeah.
There's always someone shouting and someone eating a chicken taco without anything in it.
Without any chicken.
Yeah.
It's
What-
the deconstructed sort of, you know.
Do you kids mind mixing your food together, or do you prefer it to be separate? You're a separate kind of girl.
She's together. She's together. And Cozzy, you don't like to mix your food too much, eh? But you are today.
Sometimes I mix it,
Sometimes you mix it.
and it's fine.
Good work, guys.
Done.
Good cooking.
I put
Great cooking.
burrito and
I think you kids should be on dinner duty every night.
I think that's a smart idea.
Go. You can figure it out. Yeah.
Well, dinner time at your place is fun.
Yeah.
Honestly, I don't know what it is, but this is probably on the level of behaviour the longest I've seen anyone sit down at a dinner in my entire
This
life.
is good. It's the food. Everyone must be into it.
I think you're right.
Can you all give us $5 in our bank account? Because we never sit at the table quietly.
Or you get to go in the pool.
We're gonna play a game. Put your hand up if you like capsicum. Yeah. Put your hand up if you like cucumber. Put your hands up if you like Cozzy's avocado.
I do not like avocado.
Can you come over every night and cook us dinner? It's a premium My Food Bag subscription, eh? We actually turn up to people's houses.
When Nadia sends one of her kids to your houses, you mean?
What do you guys reckon? From 1 to 10. How do you rate this?
10,000.
Okay,
10,000?
that's pretty good. 1 is bad. 1 is Daddy's cooking. 10 is my cooking.
10?
I did divide it.
10
I
for-
vision.
Oh, you give it a 10.
10.
Right, and you give it a 10 as well.
10, 10, 5,
2 10s and a 10,000.
and Elsa.
I'm happy with that.
Anna, you can't freeze.
You kids have done pretty well. You've all eaten dinner. So if you do want to go in the pool now, now's your chance.
No,